my point. And they all together, and together they say in the virtual reality situation. Which was amazing. Because I can know what they see simultaneously. So I think it's very amazing part. This guy always, but I let them. You do not, you sure, but like that, and they enjoy. This is finally last year. Last year there's a 50th anniversary of moon trip. So I shows them news about that. Let's go into the unknown world. Let's go into the moon together. So I share this video and again to have imagination more and more. So I make a video. So this is the thing when you see. I make a video. And put in the moon content. They will look around. In the time, even they make their own AR in the classroom. So we can go moon all together by virtuality in the classroom without any cost. Without any dangerous part. Amazing. Even he want to grab something. And this is let's go into the D word. So they goes and this is I make English subtitle because ClassVR so awesome. I want to share and share more. So subtitle. 6, okay. So they wanna check it because they already experienced virtual reality video. So when they see just a picture like a Google expedition, it's not good. So ever since they experience video in virtual reality, they do not sell them the picture. So they enjoy, and every time I try to let's go into the virtual reality. Sometimes, that's fine. We know all of that. So ever since that, I want their content into virtual reality. So let them see. And this one is I use I don't know what it. Yes, it's very hard. Oh my gosh, that's yesterday. Okay, so I use not the virtual reality class in the mainly, but I use on the very first time to give a motivation. I think the next step of virtual reality like this. Not only a ClassVR, not only a virtual reality class, just put in as a tool. So we must already know what it is, and the tool, and the very short times, and let's go back to the real one, real educational one, and the backup and the RAM of times. Let's go into the virtual reality part. I think that is enhance our educational part, but that's not in it. This is a Korean classroom situation. Very slow, but the Korean society very speed. And the interesting one is I am in the UK. Even the underground does not kind of. Oh my God, Korean seldom easy. So I share this one, the catapult, UK and the Big Ben. I didn't know the Big Ben is under question, but Big Ben is straight in the ClassVR content, so they can know. And this is war. This is all the castle's war. So we will make our catapult, and we will work. And they share. just 1 minute. I put in the ClassVR 2, not the whole, because this class is for the Mecca catapult, not the virtual reality. So I think that is the next step of the virtual, the ClassVR. But that's the reason I come here. I want to share globally, and I want to meet like you, meet and share, got an insight, and more enhance more and more. So if you have, I learn the YouTube channel, but the introduction, do not subscribe, do not like, because according to government, and over 10,000, I must report. Interesting. So do not subscribe, do not like, just see. And every time I had a lecture, I had a speech and a class, I share. And I have class link test, but I share again next time. So if you have a question, contact me. I give my name card. And if you have a question, do you have any question now? Okay. Thank you, Pro. Wonderful listener. Thank you. Enjoy, Ben. Thank you.
Brilliant.
Thank you. Thank you.
Great enthusiasm.
Just 10%.
No, that's
Thank
amazing.
you for having me.
No, it's not.
Thank you.